This place is different from home because we got all this green land around us, no buildings, no houses, but yeah, it's quiet. We got beaches around here. It feels peaceful here with less people.
You're experiencing something so different from the city. You're like free in your own way with like the trees and like everything around you. You just take it in and it's like, I live here, this is my country, you know?
Feel natural in this environment. I feel homesick. I feel good about myself.
I feel like safe. You're like thinking about how great life is without the city and all the honking and like the helicopters and everyone yelling at each other across the street.
I see concrete, I see people on a daily, I see cars, I see houses on houses, I see children playing.
If your family was here, it'd be totally cool, but you're away from your family and it feels totally different because like you're on your own, you're an independent person trying to do all these things without asking your parents, how do you do this or how do you do that? Yeah.
What's cool about home? It's got a PlayStation, a TV I can watch all day, food I can eat whenever I want, and just family.
I don't think there would be a way to make this place greater because like it's nature, you can't just boom, that's greater because I just did something to it. You know, something's greater because it's great and this place is great. You can't make it any greater, so yeah.